The 5 laws of wealth creation are the framework you need to use. When you're building a small business, you still need to look at the 5 laws. So number 1, if you think about wealthy people who have created wealth, not inherited wealth, right? They never thief the money, they never win the money. They've created wealth. Usually a billionaire, they own one business, certainly less than a handful. One business is probably private. It may have gone public, but they had one business. Number 2, they understood that business and how it made money, the environment for that business. Number 3, it was domiciled in a strong long-term growth industry. That's crucial. Domiciled in a strong long-term growth industry. Number 4, they were prudent managers of OPM, other people's money. And other people's money could be investors' money. It could be the bank's money you borrow. It could be customers' money. That is still other people's money, right? So that's number 4. And then number 5, most importantly, they held for the long term. So when you decide in your business and think about what you want to do, look at the 5 laws of wealth creation and decide, am I following this framework?